Okay, so today's lesson is all about division of monomials. And as you all know, monomials are polynomials with only one term. Okay, for example, we are going to divide 3x by 12x squared. So in mathematical sentence, that is 3x divided by 12x squared. Or pwede naman sa masulat as a fraction, like this, 3x over 12x squared. So both are just the same. We usually use the fractional form, okay, wherein the numerator is being divided by the denominator. I'm going to show you how to divide monomials, the 3x, for example, 3x over 12x squared. So first we are going to separate the numerical and the literal coefficient. Okay, so the literal coefficient includes the exponent. Okay, so the numerical coefficient 3 over 12 can be reduced to its lowest term. And we're going to use prime factorization to get the GCF of the fraction. Okay, so the prime factorization, actually the prime factorization of 3 is 1 times 3. But then we are not going to include 1 in prime factorization. Okay, so you have your 3, and then for 12, that is 2 times 2 times 3. Supposedly, mauna si 2, but then unahan to lang ibutan si 3 kay may 3 na nga daan nga nakabutang sa babaw. Okay, and then we are going to bring down the common factor, which is 3. So wala na sa iban, common factor, so 3 lang gid. Therefore, it's the GCF of the numerical coefficients. Now, to reduce a fraction into its lowest term, we are going to divide the numerator and the denominator by the GCF. So that is 3 divided by 3 and 12 divided by 3. Okay, so we'll get 1/4. Therefore, the lowest term of 3 over 12 is 1/4. Now let's proceed to the literal coefficient. So to get the GCF of the literal coefficient, we are going to use prime factorization. So you have your x for x and x times x for x squared. And bring down common factor, which is x. And siya lang isa, no? Okay, so the GCF of the variable or literal coefficient is x. And then we're going to divide the numerator and the denominator by the GCF. So that is x divided by x and x squared divided by x. So you will get 1 over x. Then all you have to do is to combine, or rather multiply, the lowest term of the literal and the numerical coefficients. So we have here 1/4 times 1 over x, that is 1 over 4x. That's our answer. Now let's try 4y over 16y cubed. So again, we're going to separate the literal and the numerical coefficients. So for the numerical coefficients, we have 4 over 16. And for the literal coefficient, mayroon kita y over y cubed. So 4 over 16 can be reduced to its lowest term. So 4 in prime factorization, that is 2 times 2, and 16 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Then we're going to get the common factor. We have here 2 and another 2. If we're going to multiply that, that is 4. Therefore, the GCF of numerical coefficients is 4. So we're going to divide the numerator and the denominator by the GCF, so we'll get 1/4. Okay, therefore, the lowest term of 4 over 16 is 1/4. Now, let's proceed to literal coefficients. We have their y and y times y times y. Okay, then bring down common factor, the GCF is y. So we're going to divide the literal coefficients by the GCFY. So you will get 1 over y squared. So we're going to multiply the lowest term, or the reduced form of numerical and literal coefficients. So that is 1/4 times 1 over y squared. That is 1 over 4y squared.